Imagine a world where you couldn't store your money safely, trade across cities, or borrow to grow your business. Coins were kept in jars, grain was stored in temples, and merchants risked everything on long journeys with no guarantee of safety. Yet, over thousands of years, a simple idea, keeping and lending money, transformed into one of the most powerful institutions on Earth: banks. From clay tablets in Mesopotamia to mobile banking apps in your pocket today, the evolution of banks shaped trade, economies, and entire civilizations. Our journey begins over 4,000 years ago in Mesopotamia. Temples and palaces acted as the first banks, storing grain, silver, and other valuables. Scribes recorded deposits meticulously on clay tablets, the earliest ledgers in history. Ancient Egyptians and Greeks expanded this idea as merchants began lending money and charging interest, forming the roots of financial trust. Even without technology, people understood one thing: money works best when organized and secure. Fast forward to medieval Europe, and banking enters a new era. Cities like Florence, Venice, and Genoa became hubs of trade. Families like the Medici created one of the first modern banking systems, introducing letters of credit and bills of exchange. Merchants could now trade safely across Europe without carrying gold or risking robbery. Banking became organized, powerful, and central to the economy. Suddenly, finance wasn't just local, it was international, connecting towns, cities, and nations. By the 17th century, the idea of central banking emerged. The Bank of England, founded in 1694, didn't just store money, it issued standardized currency, lent to governments, and managed national finances. Central banks turned money into a tool for policy and power, shaping entire economies. As centuries passed, the Industrial Revolution brought unprecedented change. Factories, railroads, and massive infrastructure projects required huge sums of capital, which banks provided. Everyday people gained access to savings accounts, loans, and checking accounts. Banking expanded beyond the elite, becoming a vital part of daily life. Suddenly, banks were everywhere, supporting trade, cities, and technological progress. The 20th century introduced technology, and banking transformed again. ATMs, credit cards, electronic banking, and mobile apps brought money directly to people's fingertips. Today, cryptocurrencies and blockchain are changing the game once more, making transactions faster, safer, and global. Step by step, century by century, banks have evolved from simple storage to powerful institutions that influence trade, politics, and society. From clay jars in Mesopotamia to the mobile wallets we use today, banks have shaped the way humans live, work, and connect. The story of banking is, in many ways, the story of civilization itself, and it's still evolving right in front of our eyes, faster than ever before. ATMs, credit cards, and online banking brought money to people's fingertips, removing the need to visit a bank in person. Today, mobile apps allow you to transfer funds, pay bills, and invest with a few taps. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are shaking up traditional finance, creating a system where transactions can happen instantly and securely across the globe, without central authorities. Fintech startups are now competing with centuries-old banks, offering innovative ways to save, borrow, and invest. Even artificial intelligence is being used to manage risk, detect fraud, and predict market trends, making banking smarter and faster than ever. Yet, with all this progress, the fundamental principle remains the same as in Mesopotamia: trust. From clay tablets to digital wallets, humans have always needed a secure way